Hi traders, so I just got back from fishing and you know, fishes are big but I am strong, so I survived, of course. This video will be a really life changer for you and maybe for me, because this video will be about gambling addiction and trading, because these things are so opposite of each other, but so many traders just come at me and they tell me that they want to use martingale strategies and every kind of betting strategies in their tradings, and it is just so dumb, because you know, these strategies didn't even work back in the day, because these are just gambling strategies, and every trader that's tried to use these strategies almost certainly will fail. Maybe not after a day or after a week, but after a month it is 100%. And so in this video I will talk about the differences between traders and gamblers. And the problem is that there are so many scammers in this, in this industry, that when you start trading, you think that trading is actually gambling, and if you use gambling habits you will be a successful trader. But it is, it is the farthest thing from the truth, because if you start trading with the attitude that you will be a millionaire in one day or in 1 week or even in 2 years or 10 years, you will fail, because you will have the wrong expectations when it comes to the forex markets or stocks or bonds or every kind of assets in trading. So I have some recommendations for you how to recognize if you are actually just a gambler and not a trader. So for example, if you can't enjoy your life and can't enjoy your love, your food, your, the amazing things in life, you are most likely a gambler, because your mind is always on the go, always, your hormones always just wait for that opportunity to gamble. And this is so dangerous, because you're a hard worker and you earn your money with your work, and you will lose all your money if you start trading with this attitude. So if you can't enjoy life, or you can't sleep, or you can't eat, you are not a trader but you're a gambler. And it is so it is just so bad, because actually I see that the industry tells you you don't have to sleep, eat or enjoy life, and then you will become a successful trader, and that is just the opposite. That's the truth. So I recommend to you to live your life and try to enjoy the moments. And trading is not about the get rich quick, but it is about the long-term growth and your health. So this is a really interesting topic, and there is one more thing, and that is win rates. So I think I will go insane if one more person asks me about fucking win rates, because if you have a 90% win rate, it doesn't mean that you will be successful. And it is funny, because after people didn't believe me, they come back and they tell me that I was right. And of course I was right, The thing is that I am always right, so you have to listen to me. Win rates are dangerous, because just a quick math. If you have 10 trades and you have a 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio, you will have a really good, if you base on your trading on statistics, you will have a really good advantage over the market, because most traders use 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which means if you have 10 trades and you have 7 winning trades, so you have a 70% win ratio, but you have 3 losing trades, you will still lose, because that 3 losing trades are equals 9. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I know I'm very smart, but I think you are too, because you listen to me. So this was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, ciao.